As I draw, let me tell you a true story. Robert McGee was born in 1845 in the American frontier. When he was only 5 years old, his family wagon was attacked during a conflict with the Native Americans. In the chaos, young Robert was struck and scalped, a wound that was believed to be fatal. But he survived. Without a scalp, his skull was covered only by thin skin, making his head extremely sensitive and fragile. Doctors could do very little at the time, and Robert grew up carrying both the physical pain and the visible reminder of that day. As an adult, he chose to share his story. He worked with traveling shows and museums, not for shock, but to show human resilience and the reality of life on the frontier. He lived until 1912. His story isn't about violence, it's about survival and the human's ability to endure, and about remembering history, even when it's uncomfortable. This was a story about Robert McGee, the man who survived being scalped.